10 illegal gadgets you can buy. Discover the dark side of technology with a glimpse into the underworld of illegal gadgets. From the intriguing to the downright illicit, we've compiled a list of 10 forbidden devices that you can actually purchase. Welcome to the channel. Subscribe and let's dive in. Delve into a realm where rules are bent and boundaries are pushed as we explore gadgets that skirt the edge of legality. Uncover the hidden world of contraband technology, where innovation meets controversy. Buckle up for a journey into the forbidden, as we unveil a collection of gadgets that challenge the status quo and beckon you to explore the forbidden fruit of the tech world. ADM Skimmer. At first glance, the ADM seems perfectly normal, but lurking beneath its surface lies a devious device manipulated by scammers. The notorious skimmer is designed to steal PIN codes and card data from unsuspecting users. In a matter of seconds, experienced criminals can install this inconspicuous gadget, making it virtually impossible to detect. The skimmer's crafty design allows it to target cards with magnetic stripes, making it a favorite tool for data theft. But that's not all. Portable models of this stealthy device have been spotted in bustling locations like restaurants and shopping malls, where crowds unknowingly fall victim to its trap. Stay tuned as we explore more forbidden gadgets that blur the line between technology and crime. Flashing emergency lights. These vibrant and attention-grabbing lights, often featuring various shades and patterns, were intended to warn of disasters or direct traffic during crises. However, criminals have exploited these lights for sinister purposes. By impersonating emergency vehicles, wrongdoers gained unauthorized access to restricted areas, causing widespread concern across nations. The misuse of these lights led to their banning due to the potential to create a false sense of urgency or manipulate emergency situations. Despite this restriction, these lights still appear on platforms like Amazon, albeit in subdued versions. While they may lack the intensity they once had, they could still be misused to create fabricated emergencies, raising ethical concerns. It's a stark reminder that these lights should only be employed in genuine emergency scenarios, emphasizing the need for responsible use and adherence to regulations. Khaki Grabber. Khaki Grabber car owners should be on high alert, as car theft statistics are staggering. Around 2,000 cars are stolen daily in the US alone. To add to the concern, social media has inadvertently contributed to the rise in thefts. This year, American TikTok users shared step-by-step guides on how to steal Kia and Hyundai cars, leading to a surge in theft attempts. The availability of code grabbers online has made the situation even worse. These devices, which disturbingly aid criminals, can easily be obtained from the internet. Here's how they work. Typically, remote keys communicate with a car's computer using signals. A code grabber intercepts and stores these signals, allowing intruders to silently disable alarms and even start engines. With this method, thieves can discreetly and noiselessly carry out their activities, sometimes from nearby vehicles. Shockingly, luxury cars like the Porsche 911 GT3 are not immune to these tactics. Retractable license plate. The retractable license plate, an intriguing gadget gaining popularity, has ignited debates across the globe. This device allows users to discreetly hide their license plate numbers to evade fines and legal troubles. While its primary purpose is privacy, concerns have arisen, leading to its prohibition in several countries due to its potential use in criminal activities. Despite being illegal in many nations, these retractable license plates are still available on platforms like Amazon, raising concerns among law enforcement agencies. There's worry that criminals might exploit this technology to escape detection, evade traffic fines, or aid in other offenses. This contentious gadget has sparked discussions worldwide. Some view it as a valuable tool for identity protection, while others fear its misuse by criminals. The retractable license plate stands at the crossroads of privacy and security. USB LV40 flash drive. The USB LV 4.0 flash drive is tailor-made for pen testers and security experts who conduct penetration tests to uncover computer system vulnerabilities. This compact gadget boasts compatibility with 15 different adapters, including VGA, HDMI, and DisplayPort, enabling remote attack control. Its integrated battery offers up to 200 days of usage without external power. Users can manipulate attack settings by time and mode via smartphone app or remote control with a range of up to 328 feet. This device, cleverly encased in a ring-slidable flash drive, facilitates testing on a wide array of devices, from monitors to smartphones. Its effectiveness is such that it's embraced by public services and law enforcement agencies across 23 countries. With a basic set priced around $100, this USB flash drive is a powerful tool in the hands of professionals, ensuring digital security. Electromagnet changer. Emerging onto the market, the electromagnet changer has sparked both fascination and concern. Crafted by an inventive mind, it initially seemed poised to redefine power generation. Yet, its potential for exploitation quickly prompted regulatory actions in many nations. This contraption manipulates a power source's electric field, unlocking the ability to generate enhanced electricity output. While this might hasten the charging of devices like smartphones, it also ushers in the peril of unauthorized access or empowering hazardous tools, such as firearms and explosives. Astonishingly, the electromagnet changer continues to be accessible on Amazon, attracting hackers and lawbreakers seeking cover. Branded a substantial peril to public safety, its operation is stringently overseen, with governments implementing stern legal measures and penalties to quell illicit use. Amid its accessibility, deploying the electromagnet changer demands meticulous deliberation and conscientious handling. Power lasers. Did you know that power lasers have the potential to emit a staggering 5,000 milliwatts of power, capable of causing lasting eye damage within mere seconds? It's a serious concern, rendering lasers hazardous objects that demand careful handling. These lasers possess the ability to burn through materials like wood, leather, and paper, which can escalate their danger if misused. Despite these risks, these powerful lasers are surprisingly available on Amazon, often without proper warnings about their potential hazards. This accessibility can inadvertently put uninformed individuals at risk. While amateur astronomers may find lasers useful for pointing out stars and constellations, these lasers can be visible up to 50 miles away and pose a significant danger if aimed directly at someone's eyes. The allure of these lasers for various purposes underscores the importance of understanding their risks and using them responsibly. Digital voice recorder USB. Enter the world of discrete recording with the digital voice recorder USB. This ingenious gadget seamlessly blends into everyday situations, resembling a common USB flash drive. Offering a reliable solution for presentations, meetings, and interviews, it boasts an impressive feature set. The seller promises crystal-clear audio capture at distances of up to 15 feet. Equipped with an 8 GB built-in memory, this recorder can store up to 96 hours of recordings. With a full charge, it can run for an impressive 10 hours. Eliminating the need for frequent recharging. What's more, it requires no complex software installations or configurations. Various versions are available to suit different needs. Some can function for up to 25 days and activate through voice recognition. As with any tech, options abound, catering to a range of budgets, including those under $30. Arctic Spider 2. Unleash the power of the Arctic Spider 2. A device that might remind you of a Star Wars lightsaber, but holds a potentially blinding punch. This gadget is a force to be reckoned with, but not when used irresponsibly. Caution is crucial, as the intense beam can be harmful to people, animals, and even vehicles. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, its durability is unmatched, and its battery offers up to 2 hours of usage. The pinpoint-focused 0.2-inch beam can be observed from a remarkable distance of 3.7 to 4.3 miles. Some kits even feature versatile heads for various applications. With a claim of approximately 5,000 hours of operation, this product doesn't come cheap, priced at $200. Remember, power should always come with responsibility. Flipper Zero. Introducing a revolutionary breakthrough in the realm of ID, the YPhone. This compact marvel has sent ripples throughout the industry due to its potential in cybersecurity and privacy. However, concerns about its misuse have led to its prohibition in various countries. This ingenious gadget, despite its minuscule size, boasts powerful capabilities, fitting snugly into pockets or wallets to evade detection. From storing passwords to generating one-time passwords and even granting access to the dark web, the YPhone has an array of functions. Its availability on Amazon, despite the associated risks and restrictions, raises questions about its responsible use. It's vital to recognize that while innovation can open doors, ethics should guide our actions. In a world teeming with technological wonders, it's important to remember that not all innovations are meant for the greater good. The allure of illegal gadgets may be tempting, but their potential for harm and misuse cannot be ignored. As technology evolves, let's choose wisely, opting for responsible innovation that enhances, not endangers, our lives. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.